let's go.
Hey guys, Ian here, and welcome back to Pinoy Metro Geek channel. I'm here for another unboxing, and this time we will be looking at the upcoming Realme C3. Yeah, I know, we just witnessed them release the Realme 5i last month, but that's not stopping the company from dropping another handset of its popular entry-level lineup. Sure, the C3 is an entry-level device, but it's packed with features you wouldn't want to miss. For starters, the Realme C series is a line of the popular entry-level smartphones which have been dominating local sales since past year. The Realme C3 is the third iteration of the series, which started with Realme C1. Okay, enough of the introduction. Let's start by checking out what's in the box. But before that, please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And later, if you want, you can like the video by hitting the thumbs up button or hit the notification icon to know when we publish videos. Pulling the box's lid, you'll see a small packet which houses the manual or a quick start guide and some documentations. In the same small box, you'll see the SIM ejector tool underneath. Even when wrapped in plastic, you can't deny that the smartphone's blazing red colorway is very striking. Setting aside the phone, of course, the box comes with a usual wall adapter and the micro USB cable. Sure, the micro USB cable might be glaring, but you have to keep in mind that this is only an entry-level smartphone. For the specs, compared to the Realme C2, the C3 scores great improvements in several areas. For one, the handset boasts a triple camera setup which is comprised of a 12MP main, 2MP portrait, and another 2MP sensor for the macro. We have some sample photos by the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Under the hood, the phone breathes with MediaTek Helio G70 processor. Realme claims that the C3 is the first smartphone to rock this gaming class chipset in the Philippines. And just like the company's previous releases, the Realme C3 packs a juicy 5000 mAh battery, which, from the looks of it, could deliver an all-day battery life. The phone is also generous enough to include a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. I am very impressed with Realme C3's design. In fact, it's a very well-built device. Our blazing red review unit could definitely catch some serious attention when used in the wild. The matte-like backing is similar to that of the Realme 5i, only that it comes with a triple camera setup. It's not a fingerprint magnet, which is always a good thing for me. Speaking of fingerprints, the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor is found in the upper middle half of the handset, while the Realme branding is on the lower left. On the left, you have the dual SIM tray with a dedicated slot for the micro SD card. The bottom part houses the USB port, the speaker grill, and the standard 3.5mm audio jack, while the right side is the power button's domain. I have tested the Realme C3's camera. Here are some of the photos I took. In good lighting environment, photos are great. Color saturation is also on point. Most of the stills come with great detail. Macros are also promising. Photos tend to be on the softer side, and I also noticed that there's no night mode in the camera app. So far, I am impressed with the handset. I just hope that it would have a killer price tag. My ballpark figure is around 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. The Realme C3 will be official next week. Stay tuned for more updates and the full review in our blog. And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.